What's this? Well, this is okonomiyaki. It is a traditional Japanese food, and today I want to show you and teach you some kitchen and cooking vocabulary. So, let's take a look at how we can make this okonomiyaki. But just to let you know, we are not professionals, of course. This is just something that we make with leftovers from in our fridge. So let's take a look. How do we make it? First, you need to slice your cabbage and slice quite a lot of cabbage thinly. Peel your onion until you get through the skin. And then you need to slice the onion as well, thinly again. Put that into a bowl. Cut your pepper, red pepper, remove the stalk and seeds, and chop into small pieces. And put that also in a separate bowl as well. Chop the green peppers too, again into small pieces. And then you need to wash your garlic chives and then chop the garlic chives. And then peel the carrots. You can use a peeler or you can use a knife if you're good with knives. And then you need to grate the carrots, of course, and put them into a bowl. Now, all we need to do is set up our table with the ingredients. What do we have? We have potato starch and flour. And we have these fish crackers, red peppers, of course. Garlic chives is the next one. We also have our carrots. Then we have our cabbage, lots of cabbage. Onion, especially red onion. Green peppers as well. And we have our vegan cheese. And you can use seafood or meat. Take 1 large scoop of flour and put it into a mixing bowl. And then take 1 small scoop of potato starch, 2 teaspoons of fish crackers or seafood crackers, and then chuck in any other vegetables. Be generous with the amounts that you put in, of course. Whatever you like can go in there. Sprinkle some cheese on top, and then add your meat or your seafood, whichever you prefer. Crack an egg on top. Then fill up about 100 milliliters of water and pour the water into the bowl on top of every ingredient. And then we need to mix all of the ingredients together. Make sure that you mix all of the water into the ingredients. Turn on the grill to a high temperature. Drizzle some olive oil on the grill and then pour the mix on the grill and wait for it to sizzle. Then you can mold the mix into a pancake shape. After it's cooked on one side, flip it over, and then it comes the okonomiyaki sauce. Yes, squeeze the sauce on top of your pancake. Be generous with this. The more, the better. And then squeeze mayonnaise on top of that. And then you will be ready to serve your okonomiyaki after that. Look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? Okay, so now you know how to make it, and you've got some awesome cooking and kitchen vocabulary and phrases. What do you think of okonomiyaki?
Yummy.
Okay, good. And who else loves okonomiyaki?
Mommy and Grandma.
Yes, that's right. Yes, Grandma loves okonomiyaki, doesn't she?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a very good, fun, communal way of eating, actually. Usually in the restaurants, they have a similar kind of like cooking plate like this. And you actually go to the restaurant and you cook it yourselves at the table, which is kind of strange at first when you're not used to it, but it's really, really cool and interesting. Okay, so Len, do you enjoy cooking Japanese food? Because many Japanese people like foreign people to try to cook Japanese dishes. So do you like it?
Yeah, I like trying it. although it's not 100% the same as the ingredients that they have, and it turns out yummy.
The most important ingredient is, of course, the okonomiyaki sauce. And you need to get the one that we showed you earlier, which is from Hiroshima. It is the best one. Other ones don't compare to it at all. 100% we need to get that one indeed.
We tried this in England before, and we didn't have the potato starch, right? So it didn't turn out very well. Another important ingredients is the potato starch, I think.
Yeah, we all have that one.
Mm-hmm.
We all have the potato starch.
Sophia, what's this called?
I can't remember again.
Okonomiyaki.
Okonomiyaki. I can't get it right.
Okay, try one more. Okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki.
Miyaki.
Okonomiyaki.
Okonomiyaki.
Hey, good job. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, I suggest you click on this one here, which is near to Len's head. And it's all about me trying to answer 120 questions in 20 minutes. Len gave me a challenge, so can I do it? Head over there and check it out now.